Welcome to Wealthy Web Innovations Business Intelligence, your daily dose of business tips and hacks. Today we will discuss about diversifying content formats. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share this video for more hacks and tips from your friendly digital marketing partner. Let's dive into our tip of the day. Variety is the spice of engagement in content marketing. Suppose you're managing a lifestyle blog. Create diverse content formats like articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, quizzes, and interactive polls. Cover a range of topics such as fashion trends, travel guides, wellness tips, and career advice to cater to diverse audience interests. Repurpose content across platforms and formats to maximize reach and engagement. Encourage audience feedback and suggestions for future content ideas. Diversifying content formats keeps your audience engaged, attracts new audiences, and boosts content virality. Spice up your content to win the game